We are pleased to show you 2021 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window wiper, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find remote start, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.